Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer your USDT from Gate.io to Bybit. First of all, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. So go to the application and click on Assets. After clicking on Assets, this screen will appear. Click on the Deposit button and this screen will appear. Select USDT if you want to transfer this currency. After selecting USDT, this screen will appear. Select your desired network and it'll generate your wallet address. After that, this screen will appear and here you will enter your address. Don't forget to select your coin. USDT should be selected. So here you'll paste your address, the Bybit address, select the right network, and then the quantity. The minimum amount which you can transfer is 2 USD. After entering the correct information, click on Send and you will be able to transfer your USDT from Gate.io to Bybit. And in the transaction history section, you can also check how much USDT or any other currency has been transferred from your Gate.io to Bybit, from Gate.io to Bybit. You can comment below, and if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe.